Welcome to our channel, Double Dog Dare. Lately, we have taken some big trips. So, with that many flight hours logged, it is time for an oil change. Today, AJ and the kids are flying up the coast to Sebastian, Florida, to our favorite Aztec mechanic.
Tango, time 1950 Zulu, 101013, visibility 7, sky conditions scattered clouds 2,200, temperature 28, dew point 19, altimeter 3005, visual approach runway 30 in use, landing and departing runway 30. Fire park clearance is contact ground on 121.7.
Alright, so turn this knob to where it says 3005, that's the altimeter setting, okay?
Wait, where?
You can do it, 3005.
Right there?
The top corner button, yep.
There? Is that it? 30.05.
That's your gauge. This is your altitude. That's your airspeed. That's your direction.
Where's my airspeed?
Airspeed, altitude. Alright, here we go.
What's wrong with the plane?
Nothing. What seems wrong?
Where are we taking it to the mechanic then?
Oil change.
Oh, okay. Good.
Oil change, and we got a couple of little things that need to be fixed.
Mom said there was
that gauge
something.
is not working.
Yeah, the gauge.
Yeah, things break all the time. Stewart Ground, Aztec 2441 Mike at the Stewart Jet Center with information Tango, looking for a VFR departure along the coast to the north.
Aztec 2441 Mike, Stewart Ground, runway 34, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 34, taxi via Alpha, 41 Mike. So if you look at the map, see where we are right here?
Yeah.
This is really nice to have. No planes I've ever flown before had this, but it shows you Alpha, see A?
Yeah.
We're going to taxi on Alpha up to that runway 34. You see the 34 on it?
Oh, so it has the picture that's on the road.
Yep. So it's like a little plane GPS on the ground.
That's cool.
All right, so this is Alpha. See the Alpha there?
That A? Yeah, that A thing right there?
We're going to taxi down to 34. We look left, we look right. We're clear before we pull out. Should have said that. Always check. Want to pull in front of a jet, you lose points for that. Stewart Tower, Aztec 2441 Mike, holding short, runway 34, ready for departure with landing traffic in sight.
November 41 Mike, Stewart Tower, roger.
After we take off and we're over the water, away from the airport, I'll let you do something.
Okay.
That's a Honda jet.
November 41 Mike, change runway to runway 34.
Honda?
Runway
Isn't that a
34,
car?
clear for takeoff, proceed on course.
Runway 34, cleared for takeoff, proceed on course, 41 Mike. Alright, so see the sign that says 34?
Yeah.
These are two runways that are together.
Bravo, Papa, turn left at
Never want to take off on the wrong one. Look for traffic, no traffic. We're going to turn and line up. Okay, we are lined up. Now power. Let the turbos spin up a bit. Get moving. Feet on the rudder pedals for me. You can put your hand on the yoke if you want to feel what it feels like.
What, this thing?
Yep.
Oh wow, that's odd. Flying, I'm flying!
65. Okay, we're going to rotate. We're coming up. We're going to pitch for blue line. We're going to tap the brakes and gear up. The engines are making power. Fuel flow is good. All the gauges are in the green.
November 41 Mike, frequency change approved. Palm Beach is 2362 for advisories. Have a safe flight.
2362 for advisories. Appreciate your help. Frequency change approved. Heading out over the water. We're going to go right up the beach.
Autopilot on?
It is. We're 2300. We're going up to 2500, and then we're going to stick. Okay? So with the autopilot, I hit flight director and heading. Heading is the direction you're flying, okay?
Okay.
Now we're going to hit altitude. Alt means hold the altitude. We're going to hold that at 2500. Alright, right now there's a plane coming our way. Pay attention to outside the plane, or VFR, which means we need to look out for other traffic. So I'm looking out while I'm doing other things, but you help look outside the plane also. Look for other planes.
Where's the other plane coming from?
Look at the map. He is 5 miles straight ahead, 1,300 feet below us. All right, so now we're
Sebastian Municipal Airport.
30 miles away. We're listening to the weather.
2-1 Zulu. Weather. Wind.
Complete departure. Good afternoon. Peak Air Papa Sierra Bravo Hotel Charlie Sierra checking 2000 heading 280.
020.
Papa Sierra Hotel Charlie Sierra.
That means
departure radar contact. Climb and maintain 5000.
we're going to use 050 as our runway, which is a left traffic runway. We're going to go right over the top and then loop around.
00.
Here's the other plane. It's going right underneath us.
Ryan heading 100.
I can see the beach from right there.
Yep.
I can't see it out that way, but...
All right, the other plane went right underneath us. That was cool. Now, we're going to let you fly.
What? I'm gonna fly?
Yeah, you ready?
What do I do?
Number 651 Sierra Delta, contact Orlando approach.
So, let's go over some basics. Do your feet reach the pedals?
Orlando 3261.
So, I'll do the pedals, okay?
I do not.
Sierra Hotel Charlie,
If you push in,
Miami Center,
the plane points the nose down.
So,
If you pull,
in down.
yeah,
Out.
you'll see
Out would it go up?
pull back, the plane goes up. When you go up, the airspeed goes down. When you go down, the airspeed goes up.
Yeah, because the gravity's also helping you.
So if you pull up too much, you stall. So I'm not going to let you do that. But
Oh, yee!
when you turn to the left, you normally would want to push your left foot with a left turn. So you roll and hit the rudder to make the plane turn coordinated. When you turn to the right foot, rotate right. Okay, autopilot's off. I want you to try to stay at 2,500. Okay, you can watch yours right there. 2,540 is what it says. Okay, now you are turning. Do you feel it turning?
Yeah?
Okay, do you want to go out over the water?
What?
Or do you want
No.
to stay closer to the beach?
I want to stay closer.
Turn to the beach. You're going down. Pull up, pull up. Not too much, just a little bit. Slowly make the numbers turn. Now you feel yourself turning left?
Yeah.
Turn back to the right. Don't roll too much, just a little bit.
Sliding out.
Okay, go back straight.
I am. Is it straight?
Look how sideways you are. See how crooked it is? See, look
There we
outside the
go.
plane? There you go.
That's
You've gone
fine.
down to
You're turning,
2,300.
You're turning.
Go back to flat. Try to keep it flat.
Okay.
That's the best thing
Remember,
you can do.
so we want to get up to 2,500. Okay, so you got to pull back a little bit.
I am pulling back a little bit.
You go, good.
Oh,
Now it's starting to roll. You feel it rolling?
it's rolling
Roll back the other way. Roll back to the right. Roll back to the right.
Yeah.
You're going down again. Roll back. There you go. Good.
Jack is going to the right.
Good. He's doing what he wants to do. He's got it. He's
Going
just
to-
getting a feel for it.
E. Oh, now I'm in. Oh, shoot.
How'd that feel? I'm going to get a straight and level. Here's a left turn. Put your hand on there. Feel it. Don't be afraid.
Approach check
That's right.
Fly this thing.
Oh, my gosh. That's not me. That's Dad.
We're right on 2,500. So this is level but turning.
Oh.
Visual 4, jet car 4.
Let's go left again. I'm stepping on the pedal to the left. I'm turning to the left.
Can I do a left turn?
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to let you do a big left turn.
No,
Okay?
no,
Left
not
turn,
big.
go. I'm going to let you turn for a while. Okay, get us back going up the beach. And keep us at 2,500. So pull back if you're heading towards the water.
Pull
Right?
back.
Okay, you went down about 200 feet right there. So slowly creep us back up and keep us along the beach.
Well, we're we're a little above.
We're by another airport, so I don't want to be in their airspace anything less than 2,500 because that's where their ceiling is. Okay? Keep it coming. Now there's another airport over there, and there's a plane exactly on our altitude here coming up, so we got to find him and avoid him. When he gets within 5 miles of us, I'm going to take over.
489, turn right heading 240 sectors, left traffic runway 4,
I'm
descend and
flying
maintain
a
3000.
plane.
240.
Go up a little bit, just a little bit, slow and steady.
You're pretty good. Is this slow and steady?
Yeah, that's slow and steady. Watch your airspeed, see how it's going down. That's because you're climbing, and you're climbing fast. Good. All right, plane, same altitude, less than 5 miles. I'm going to take over until he's behind us, okay?
Okay. This is fun. Okay, this is really fun. I really want to do this. Yeah, this is really cool.
Okay, he's climbing and directly ahead. Find the plane on our altitude directly ahead.
Check car 49, we've got the field.
He's right there, red tail.
Oh, yeah.
About 5 miles.
Right there. That's actually really close to us.
Yep. Yeah, so that's why this is so helpful. You know, it shows us where these other planes are. So that is a really nice thing to have.
Oh, I was looking at that one.
Okay. So after we get past this airport, so we're not in their airspace, I'm going to let you fly a little bit more. All right, so when you pull back, what happens? When you push in, what happens?
Down.
When you rotate counterclockwise, which way does it go?
To left.
You go clockwise, which way does it go?
Right.
Good.
Dad, when I'm older, can you teach me how to fly a
49
plane?
visual approach, runway 4, contact 0, Beach Tower, 126.3.
You guys need an instructor other than me, though.
Number 739 Papa Golf is radar contact.
I'm not an instructor.
Heaven might be one, though.
What?
Heaven might be
2,200,
still alive.
500, 3005.
I hope so. All right, Jack, you ready?
226 miles. Number 739 Papa Golf, contact approach, 128.3.
Right hand turn, put your hand on the yoke. We're going to turn away from them.
Charlie, turn right heading a 170.
So, right?
170, 871,
Yep. Right turn. Say 2,500, so you got to climb a little bit. Good. Just hold that right there. Nice slow turn.
Number 90, Uniform Bravo, Palm Beach approach. Advise you to Victor.
I'll help you a little bit.
Visual
You
approach,
just keep
3-2.
flying. You're wanting to descend. You got to pull back when you turn. Pull back a little bit. Don't let it fall off 2,500. Good. All right, don't turn too steep. Level out a little bit. Keep coming around.
Charlie checking in at 3,000.
Pull back, just a little. Pull back. You don't want to spiral into the ocean. Good. Hold it right there.
Palm Beach, right altimeter
Let it keep coming around.
Burby. 006, 6-0.
Aren't we going home this way?
We are. We're just making a loop.
Oh, we're making
And then we're going to go land. I'm going to let you finish this turn and then straighten out.
We're making
Pull back a little bit. You're pointing your nose down. Hold 2,500. You're starting to dive. Okay, you're turning too much. Flatten out a little bit. Flatten out. Good. Keep 2,500. Keep coming around. Keep coming around. Level the wings out some. Keep coming around. Pull back.
Number 2, my Gulf, contact Miami Center 132.25.
Good. Good. Pull back a little more. You're sinking.
Maneuvering. Type in altimeter now.
Level the wings. Pull back.
For 252 and let's put the traffic.
Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Climb it back up to 2,500.
We are at 2,500.
Okay. Good then. Very good. Good. All right. Keep it coming around. Now we're going to line up with the beach.
And then keep on going straight?
Yep. I'll let you roll it out. Don't let the nose fall.
Flighting 170, the center maintain 2,000.
I'm looking
Good. Roll out. Roll out. Roll out
mean?
flat. Get the wings flat. Fly straight.
Like that?
You're still turning to the right, so go left. Go left. Go more left. More left. More left. More left. More left.
That left?
Good. Perfect. Excellent turn. Where you went all the way around. I barely even touched it. Okay? All right, I'm taking over. We got to go land.
Okay. That was fun.
I'm glad you liked it.
I liked that.
I think you did awesome.
Okay. Thanks.
We're going to start setting the plane up for landing. Sebastian, traffic Aztec 2441 Mike is 3 miles to the east, inbound for landing on runway 5. We're about to enter a downwind for 5. Sebastian. Sebastian, traffic Aztec 2441 Mike at 1,000 feet on downwind for runway 5. There's a plane right there.
I know, that's where I was pointing like.
I've seen it.
All right, so first notch of flaps, 2-second hold, that gets us slowed down. Okay, you see the runway out my window?
Yeah.
All right, so first fuel pumps, gumps. So that's gas, we're on the correct tanks, we turn the fuel pumps on. Undercarriage is put the gear down. We want to see 3 green and 1 in the mirror. I have a mirror over here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, it clicked. I've got 1 in the mirror, okay? M, mixture. P, props. S, switches, landing light. Okay? Okay, we're gonna start turning. Sebastian traffic, Aztec 2441 Mike on base for runway 5. Alright, we're lining up for the runway. Sebastian traffic, Aztec 2441 Mike's on final for runway 5. Alright, we want this pink dot to be right in the center. We want this line to be lined up. We want to see 2 red, 2 white, or 1 red, 1 white on the lights, but you can't see those at all, so. And we want to fly this approach at 95 till we get on short final, then we slow it down to 90, 80 and bring it in. Oh, it's quite the bump it here at the end. Alright, another not so pretty landing, but we got some really tough winds there at the very end. A steep crosswind.
You chewing gum?
I am.
Okay.
Sebastian traffic, Aztec 2441 Mike, crossing runway 2810. Alright, did you have fun?
Yeah.
There they are. Taxi service has arrived.